guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog where I am taking you with me to Mombasa. When I think of Mombasa, I think of the beach, the white sand, the culture, the food. Yes, the food, guys, the places to visit, and the warmth of the people. Before we continue, let's start from the beginning. We woke up quite early to make it to the Nairobi terminus at 7 a.m. So thankfully there was no traffic and we got there on time. After we went through the security checks, we then proceeded to print out our tickets. Luckily, the queue was not so long, but I would advise you to be there on time. Don't be a late comer because we saw people that were left out by the SGR train, and I don't think they found it to be very funny. We booked our tickets for the second class. There's always an element of surprise as you never know who you will sit next to or face. The first few seconds are a bit awkward, but with time, if your neighbors are friendly, you can easily strike a conversation, which we did, and met this lovely couple, Esther and Edwin, who made our journey shorter as we engaged in different conversations. The train stopped at 6 different stations before reaching the Mombasa terminus. As you may know, the SGR is also known as a safari train, where you get to see wild animals and experience the beautiful landscape. They also have a menu with different types of drinks, food, and snacks, so you have the opportunity to order from them. But for me, I will stick to my fizzy drink. I am not very adventurous when I'm traveling to try food because I'm not very sure how my stomach will react. We were greeted with a tropical weather, which means that it's hot and humid. At the moment, Mombasa is in its rainy season, which makes it more bearable. Our day started with an appointment at the barber at Empire Shave and Spa for my husband, and they did a very good job. I really loved the staff. They were really warm towards us, and when you get a chance to be in Mombasa, do pay them a visit.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that makes
Let's talk about biryani, guys. I don't know where my obsession for biryani came from, but that is the first thing I told my husband that I wanted to try when we get to Mombasa. So come with us on a quest to find biryani. I will not leave Mombasa until I find biryani, guys.
I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you.
By the time we arrived at Swahili Dishes, the biryani was already over, and the waitress told us that someone came and purchased the last pot of biryani. So she insisted that we try the pilau because she said it was equally good. We did eat the pilau, but my heart still wanted biryani. Until I find biryani, the quest continues.
Trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. Yeah. How could I lie to you? Don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me for sure. You'll be alright. I know we'll have patience. Don't fake this. I promise we can make it. You trust me for sure.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Vee Luendo and I'm here in Mombasa. I've not done an intro yet, but here I am. Which garden is this?
Uhuru Garden.
This is Uhuru Garden in Mombasa, and so far I have been having a very good day. We're just from lunch and we are heading to do a few things, so I will see you in just show you around. Yeah, so far we've had a good time. The travel went well, as you could hear in the other segment of the video. But yeah guys, let's go, let's continue the tour. we made it to Mamangina Waterfront, guys. This place is so nice. I just love the breeze. I loved how I had a view on the ocean, and I just love the fact that people can take that time to just come and relax. And so that's what we also did. We walked around, we took pictures. It was just a very nice time.
Swahili something, Swahili Cultural Center.
I tried kachiri, which is a very popular snack here. It is made of cassava, and when mixed with chili, lemon and salt, it's even better. Unaitwaje?
Ali Mwagasambi.
Oh, sawa. Umefanya hii kwa muda gani? 20. Oh. 202. Oh. Eh. 23 years.
Kuanzia 42 mpaka sasa miaka mingapi?
Oh. I really appreciated the fact that they allowed me to film their business. They were even encouraging me to take pictures and videos from different angles, and I really appreciated that. I love people from Mombasa. Then I got to try madafu. Madafu is also known as coconut water. It has a salty taste to it, but when I heard the benefits that it had for my health, I did not hesitate. I just had to Google this for you guys. Meet Nasra. Nasra sells kahawa tamu. Kahawa tamu is mainly coffee, ginger, and a lot of sugar. It's quite strong, but also very sweet. We then had fried cassava with chili and lemon. Oh my, it's very good, guys. Then my husband's friends joined us. We had a very good time and good conversations. At this point, I was really getting full. I had a little bit of space to squeeze in shawarma. Guys, let's just say that the shawarma I ate that day was the best I've ever had. We went to a place called Barca Restaurant, so if you happen to be in Mombasa, do give them a try as well.
Just come and buy from me. My name is William Motors Mombasa. William Motors Mombasa.
William Motors Mombasa?
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't know of the Swahili Pizza, it's made out of mincemeat, sometimes eggs, and then covered with a thin dough of flour. I did not try it out because that would have been a little bit too much, but next time when I come back, I will definitely do so. Onto the shawarma. That was my last meal of the day, I promise. I did not eat anything else, but guys, this was so good. And that's the end for part 1. Guys, do not miss part 2 next week on Monday. I can't wait to see you there. Bye bye.